You ever look at yourself in the mirror and think, why does my face look like this? Not in a dramatic way, but just softer than you want it to be. Like your jawline just disappeared somewhere between childhood and now. Here's the thing nobody tells you. It's not your genetics. Yeah, I know that sounds crazy. Your parents might have strong jawlines, or maybe they don't. Doesn't matter. Because what's actually happening to your face right now has almost nothing to do with DNA and everything to do with something you're doing every single day without even realizing it. And the worst part, it's stealing your facial structure in real time. But the good news, and I promise there is good news, is that you can reverse it, starting today. So stick around, because by the end of this video, you're going to understand exactly what's happening to your face and how to fix it naturally. No surgery, no weird devices, just awareness and action. All right, let's talk about the mistake first. It's called mouth breathing. I know, sounds too simple to be real, but hear me out. Right now, as you're watching this, check yourself. Where's your tongue? Is your mouth slightly open? Are you breathing through your mouth instead of your nose? If you are, you're not alone. Most people are doing it without even knowing. And this one habit, this one tiny unconscious thing is literally reshaping your face over time. Here's why. When you breathe through your mouth, your tongue just sits at the bottom of your mouth doing nothing. But when you breathe through your nose, like you're supposed to, your tongue naturally presses against the roof of your mouth. That pressure, that's what supports your facial structure. It keeps your jawline sharp. It keeps your cheekbones defined. It keeps your face looking the way it's meant to look. But when your tongue drops and your mouth hangs open all day, your face literally starts to collapse inward. Your jaw gets weaker. Your chin recedes a little. Your face gets longer and softer. And the crazy part, it doesn't happen overnight. It's slow, gradual. You don't notice it until one day you look at an old photo and think, wait, when did I start looking like this? So, why is everyone mouth breathing now? A few reasons. First, modern diets. We eat soft food. Everything's processed, easy to chew, doesn't require any real jaw work. Compare that to our ancestors who were tearing meat off bones and chewing tough roots. Their jaws were strong because they had to be. Second, poor posture. If you're hunched over a phone or laptop all day, which, let's be real, you probably are, your head tilts forward. And when your head's forward, your airway gets compressed, so your body compensates by opening your mouth to get more air. Boom, mouth breathing. Third, allergies and congestion. If your nose is always stuffy, you're gonna breathe through your mouth. Makes sense. But over time, it becomes a habit even when your nose is clear. And the final reason, nobody teaches you this stuff. You're just born, you grow up, and nobody ever says, hey, keep your mouth closed and your tongue on the roof of your mouth. So you go through life doing it wrong, and your face pays the price. Okay, so now you might be thinking, is this actually real or is this just some internet thing? It's real, and it's called orthotropics. There's this whole field of research showing that the position of your tongue affects the development and structure of your face. There's a technique called mewing, named after Dr. Mike Mew, who's been talking about this for years. The idea is simple. When your tongue is pressed firmly against the roof of your mouth, it creates upward and forward pressure on your maxilla, which is your upper jaw. Over time, this supports a more defined jawline, better cheekbones, and even improves your breathing. Now, if you're younger, like in your teens or early 20s, the changes can be pretty dramatic because your bones are still developing. But even if you're older, you can still see improvement. Your face is more adaptable than you think. And beyond just looks, proper tongue posture helps with breathing, sleep quality, and even confidence. When you're breathing right, you're oxygenating your body better, you sleep deeper, you feel more energized, and yeah, you look better too. All right, enough theory. Let's get into what you actually need to do. Step 1. Learn proper tongue posture. Close your mouth, breathe through your nose. Now, place the entire surface of your tongue flat against the roof of your mouth. It should feel like your tongue is suctioned up there. Your teeth should be lightly touching or very close, but your jaw shouldn't be clenched. Your lips are sealed but relaxed. That's it. That's the position. That's mewing. At first, it's gonna feel weird. Your tongue might get tired. You might forget and slip back into mouth breathing. That's normal. It's a new habit. Give it time. Step 2, fix your posture. You can't have good tongue posture if your head is tilted forward all day. So sit up straight, pull your shoulders back. Imagine a string pulling the top of your head towards the ceiling. When your posture improves, your airway opens up and nose breathing becomes way easier. Step 3, chew more and chew hard foods. Start incorporating tougher foods into your diet. Carrots, apples, nuts, even sugar-free gum works. The act of chewing strengthens your jaw muscles, and stronger muscles mean a more defined jawline. Think of it like a workout for your face. Some people even use mastic gum, which is super tough and specifically designed to work your jaw. Just don't overdo it. You don't want TMJ issues. Step 4, breathe through your nose, always. This is the foundation of everything. During the day, at night, when you're working out, when you're stressed. Nose breathing filters the air, warms it, and regulates your nervous system. Mouth breathing does none of that. If you're congested, fix it. Use a saline rinse, stay hydrated, see a doctor if you need to, because if you can't breathe through your nose, none of this works. Step 5, be consistent. This isn't a 2-week thing. This is a lifestyle change. You're retraining years, maybe decades of bad habits. But if you stay consistent, you'll start noticing changes. Maybe in a few months, maybe sooner. Your face will look sharper, your breathing will improve, you'll feel the difference. Here's what I want you to understand. You're not broken. You're not stuck with the face you have right now. You just didn't know there was another way. Most people go through life never questioning why they look the way they do. They just accept it. But you're here, watching this, learning something that could literally change your face and your health. That's powerful. And yeah, it's gonna take effort. You're gonna forget sometimes. You're gonna catch yourself mouth breathing and feel frustrated. That's part of the process. But every time you correct it, you're one step closer. Every day your tongue is in the right position, you're supporting the face you actually want. This isn't about being vain, it's about being the best version of yourself. And if you can do that just by changing how you breathe and hold your tongue, that's a no-brainer. So, here's what I want you to do right now. Close your mouth, put your tongue on the roof of your mouth, breathe through your nose. Feel that? That's the position. That's what your face has been missing. Start there. Do it while you're watching videos, while you're working, while you're falling asleep. And if you want to level up, add the other steps. Fix your posture, chew harder foods, make nose breathing automatic. This is one of those rare things in life where a small change creates a massive result. You just have to commit to it. So, let's do this. Let's build the jawline you've always wanted. Naturally, no shortcuts, just consistency. You got this. Now, go make it happen.